Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching another episode on Restaurant Remake. Today I am going to be doing another episode on the Cheesecake Factory, and this time I'm preparing a dish called Chicken Madeira. If you're new to the channel, be sure to check out my other episode on the recreation of the Cheesecake Factory dishes. I would love to hear what is your favorite dish. Please go ahead and comment below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now and hit the bell notification for our latest video and update. If you found this video useful, please go ahead and share it with your friends and family. And let me show you how to make this chicken Madeira. Okay, here are the ingredients to make our chicken Madeira. Okay, so we're gonna take our chicken breast here. We're gonna go ahead and cut this in half lengthwise here. Alright, so then we're gonna take these chicken breasts and we're gonna go ahead and pound them. And we're gonna wrap it with chicken and we're going to just pound it. Alright, so now I'm going to lay each of the chicken breasts out here and I'm going to go ahead and season it. And we're just going to simply season it with some black pepper and some salt and pepper here. Okay, go ahead and season it with some black pepper first. Okay, we're going to do the same thing quickly on the other side. Alright, so go ahead and bring a pot of water boil and we're gonna blanch our asparagus here. Alright, I'm just gonna put a little salt in. Okay, once the water is boiled, we're gonna put our asparagus in. And we just wanna blanch it for about 2 minutes here. Alright, so after 2 minutes, you want to take them out. And you can put them on the side. Alright, using one of these heavy brazier here, the cast iron brazier, you want to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Okay, we're also gonna add in 1.5 tablespoon of butter here. All right, so then we're gonna add in our mushroom. Okay, so after cooking for 30 minutes, so you can see the mushroom has shrunk. Alright, so after 5 minutes cooking down the mushroom here, you can see the mushroom has released some of the moisture. I'm gonna add in our onions now. Okay, give it a good stir. We're gonna cook this for another 3 minutes here. Alright, so after another 3 minutes, now we're gonna add in our parsley. Gonna add in our minced garlic right now. Go ahead and give it a good stir, and we're gonna cook this for another 2 minutes here. Alright, so right now we're gonna go ahead and season it with some black pepper. Okay, some salt. Alright, so take the mushroom out. put it in a bowl and we're gonna set it to the side for now. Okay, so I'm gonna continue to use the brazier here, and I am going to use a wet paper towel and just go ahead and wipe down the interior a little bit. And now we're gonna go ahead and do our chicken. Okay, so go ahead and put 1 tablespoon of oil and melt down that remaining butter. Alright, so go ahead and place our chicken directly into our skillet here. Alright, so after 2 to 3 minutes, we are going to flip it to the other side. And we're gonna simply cook both sides about 3 minutes. Like I said, 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how thick your chicken is. So the chicken that is a little bit thicker, we wanna cook it for a little bit longer. So 3 minutes. Alright, go ahead and remove some of the chicken that is done. Okay, so using the same pan here, we are going to put in our Madeira wine to deglaze our pan. Alright, so let the wine kind of burn out a little bit. Alright, so if you like that flame, go ahead and hit the like button below. Alright, so we want to keep boiling the wine here for 5 minutes so we can reduce about half of the liquid here. Okay, at this time we can scrape down our pan here. Alright, so after reducing it for about 10 minutes now, we are going to add in our heavy cream. Alright, so I'm going to lower the heat here a little bit. Alright, so you want to bring this, and you want to simmer it until it's started to thicken up a little bit. Okay, in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and add in our black pepper, and we're going to season it with some salt. Alright, so give it a good stir. Alright, so at this time we're going to lay our chicken back in. So we're going to place our chicken on the bottom first. Okay, if you have any juice from previously, you can put this into the sauce as well. Okay, we're going to add our mushroom on top now. Okay, we're going to add our asparagus in. Right, finally, we're now gonna add in our mozzarella cheese on top. Alright, so we're gonna cook this until the mozzarella cheese has completely melted. Alright, I'm gonna put some sauce over here on top of the cheese a little bit. Alright, so let's turn off the heat and we are going to plate this. Okay, let's go ahead and plate our chicken Madeira. Okay, so we have some asparagus on top. It looks so nice with the mozzarella cheese. Look at those cheese. Alright, so let me get a spatula to just break the cheese. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some asparagus on the side here. All right, at the Cheesecake Factory, they serve mashed potatoes with it. And if you want to check out my mashed potato, the reinvention of the Cheesecake Factory, you can go ahead and check out how I did that mashed potatoes, the red skin mashed potato with the chicken little. And I will put that in the description box below. Okay, now we're towards the end of our restaurant remake, and if you've been watching with us, you know that I always go ahead and try out my dish. So let's go ahead and cut a piece of chicken with the mushroom here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just take a big bite. The sauce is really good because there's creamy, now not totally creamy, but it's not the thick creamy, it's the more liquid creamy. And the Madeira wine, really, you can taste the flavor with the broth that we have here. It's just really good. Let me cut a piece of asparagus here. And I'm gonna do another bite here with my chicken. The chicken breast is cooked perfectly. It's not completely dry out. And if we just put a little bit sauce here with mushroom and onions here in one bite, it's just really good. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video on the Cheesecake Factory Chicken Madeira. And if you found this useful, please go ahead and share with your friends and family. Hit the subscribe button right now so that you won't miss any episode on our restaurant remake. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time at Restaurant Remake.